Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty, purpley, fun, sparkly, no, not sparkly, just pretty purple makeup look. Today's palette, I went in with my Morphe and James Charles palette. I have used this palette before on my channel, but I haven't used it as much. So I decided to dig in and yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look and what shadows I used, please keep on watching. Taking this shade and this shade, mix it together. I'm just working this into my upper crease. So I'm really taking my time with this shadow and I'm just blending it out and just intensifying it to my liking. And then what's ever left over on my brush, I'm just working it up into my brows. Just feel like it really completes the look. I'm going to take this shade, taking a Morphe M502, I'm going to buff this into my crease. I don't know, so that shade's kind of coming off a little chalky, so I'm going to go in with this blue right here and taking a Morphe M224 and I'm going to pack this onto my lid. Ooh, fall out. I'm adding a little bit of loose powder because there's going to be some fallout. As we were, I'm just going to take this blue and I'm going to work this onto my lid and into my crease. So once I created the shape on my eyes, I'm going to go back in with these two shades right here and I'm going to gently buff out that blue. So buffing this out, I'm losing a lot of pigmentation on that blue, which is kind of annoying. So I'm going to go back and forth between these two brushes, just trying to blend this. I really wanted a really super intense look, and I'm not getting that. I'm literally buffing and all of the pigmentation is going. Right. Taking this shadow right here, using the same brush, I'm just going to pack this. Ugh, I don't even search. So this isn't coming out the way I was hoping at all. I'm going to do what I can to try to save this look. I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter glue right here. This is from NYX. And now I'm going to stamp this all over my lid. Taking this shade right here, I'm just going to pack that on top. So I'm just stamping this shade all over my lids, and then as I get to my crease, I'm just running it into that orangey transition tone, and I'm literally just working my brush into that crease and that transition tone just to try to blend it a little bit. Taking this shade, I'm going to soften this orange a little bit. Taking this shade right here, taking the smallest amount, I want a little bit of pink. I really like pink and purples together, but I just want a hint of pink. So I'm just really focusing this color into the inner third of the eye. And then I'm going to slowly work this into the brows. Taking a little bit more of this light yellow, using that same brush, I just want to soften this part right here. Taking the shade right here, I'm using Morphe M506. I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. And I'm going to bring it all the way in. Taking this shade and this shade, mixing it together, I'm just going to run this on the outer portion just to run this. And I'm cleaning off that Morphe M502 and I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Going in with this Lime Crime highlighter palette, this is in Angels. I'm going to take this, can you see it? This shade right here, which is Halo. Going back in with a little glitter glue, I'm going to stamp this into the inner tear duct. I'm gonna go pretty heavy-handed with this. Taking this shade right here, I'm going to pop this onto the brow bone. Liner is done. Now I'm going in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screaming. Going in with Artist Couture's Purple Dream. I'm also going to add a very small amount to the brow bone. So I'm also going to go in with this Lime Crime highlights. This is the Opal palette. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this pink highlighter on top of that. And I'm also taking a little bit of that pink and that peach highlighter from the same Lime Crime palette. Just highlighting the bridge of my nose. And for lashes, I'm going in with Koko lashes in Queen Bee. Taking Kylie's blush in Baddie on the Block, I'm just going to pop this onto my cheeks. Mascara on the lower lashes. And for lips, I went in with Morphe's Bite Me Lip Liner, Fenty's Unbuttoned Liquid Lipstick, and a little bit of this MAC's Powderkiss in Fall in Love, and I only just apply that in the center of my lips, top and bottom. All right, so this is the final and completed look. This is not the look that I initially envisioned when starting to, or getting ready to film. I wanted to do a blue, glittery, sultry, smoky-ish look, but I don't know what was going on today with this palette, and I apologize if I was complaining a little bit too much. I was just struggling like you wouldn't believe, just getting the blue pigment to stay on, and just packing and blending and packing and blending. It was just becoming a mess and a complete nightmare. But thankfully my glitter glue came to the rescue and I was able to save and salvage the look. Of course I had to switch everything up, but I do like the way this turned out and I absolutely love purple. So I'm not gonna apologize for creating another purple look for you guys. Hopefully you guys aren't too tired of it. But like I said, I did like the way everything eventually turned out. I hope you guys did too. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know, all of that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.